Looking for a fun date idea around the metro? Mabuhay mga beshies! Here's a fun date idea, something different and active na pwede mong gawin kasama ang loved ones mo. Jowa man yan, family, friend, or even a solo date. Nag-wall climbing kami sa Climb Central, dito lang yan sa Greenfield District, Mandaluyong City. Walk-in day pass starts at 850 pesos, unlimited na yon and kasama na rin lahat ng gears at yun ay ang harness at ang shoes. Kung beginner ka, tuturuan ka nila ng safety basics, kung kailangan mo pa ba magpatuloy, or dapat ka nang mag-let go. May mga level ng difficulties ito. At kung first time mo, no worries kasi beginner-friendly ito. Wall climbing isn't just a date. It's trust, teamwork, at tuturuan ka pang bumitaw. Bitaw sa wall ha, hindi sa isa't isa. Or kung may galit ka naman, bitawan mo na siya at hayaang mahulog. Charot lang! So ayun, if you're looking for something new to do together, ito na ang sign mo, girl. Yun lang, bye!